True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. My location is in Negril. Yeah man, so I'm gonna enjoy a tour with the True Jamaican tour guide Fire Reid. So this is the Negril area. I know most people heard about the Negril area, and then sometime they don't want to take a visit in the area. So enjoy the tour with your tour guide Fire Reid. And big up yourself anyway I watch from, man. Yeah man, big up yourself. So you can see how Negril stay, our beautiful, beautiful, beautiful island Jamaica. Yeah man, so just tell me what you think about this area. On your right, I think this is the Royalton. Right next to Royalton you have the Hedonism 2. So you can come explore a beautiful, nice white sand beach. Enjoy Rick's Cafe, cause you have a lot of things to do in Negril. 7 Mile Beach, Margaritaville, and also Jungle. Wow. So leave in the comment section if you've ever been to Negril before. So right on your right, that is the Sandal in Negril. Sandals in Negril. Tell us Negril is beautiful, you know man. Most people are come here for vacation. Why? Jamaica nice, Jamaica sweet. And when you're in the Westmoreland area, you can take a run and go to St. Elizabeth also. Check out the Pelican Bar, check out in Treasure Beach, Lovers Lead, them place there. So remember to press the like button, free of cost. Please remember to do so. out for them bus driver here, you know. Look out for them bus driver here. Always at speed. Talk about in Westmoreland, check out the 7 Mile beach. Beautiful beach. Every day something change in Jamaica. Every day. Somebody feel like say things gonna remain the same. You come out one place today, tomorrow things change. So I will always keep you up to date. You're gonna see many videos of an area many different times because things do change and I don't want you all to. I just want to keep you all up to date. So when you come to Jamaica, you can say, yeah, Fire Reid did show me here, so here, so stay, so you have an understanding. You know, if you run up and down and say, no, sir, yes, so look away, yes, so look different. But you will have an understanding.